If I have to disrespect myself or shrink to be with a man, then I will find peace in never having one.
Nothing. We're not bringing nothing to relationships. For centuries, decades, we've seen our grandmothers, our mothers, our great aunts give everything and get nothing. So for the first time in history, we're saying no. You don't get a free incubator. You don't get a free maid. You don't get a free chef. We're saying no, and y'all losing y'all fucking minds.
Love for us to settle for men like you and lower our standards because we don't have to settle for men like you or lower our standards. I'm single, not desperate. And it's important to understand the difference. We are so annoyed with this tired ass narrative that all men cheat.
And it's so funny because a lot of people on the internet make fun of it and say, oh, go be a cat lady, you loser. But those cat ladies are thriving and enjoying their lives with their cats.
When it comes to living a long